In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to clean your leather seats, whether you're in a detail shop or you're at home, utilizing the Color Lock Leather and Vinyl Care Kit. So let's go check out those seats. All right, so as you can see, this seat is only 6 months old. Because it's such a light color, it already has some discoloration, has some dirt, has some dye transfer, pretty much everything that happens with well, white leather. So I'm going to use the brush right here, as well as I have a little smaller bottle of the mild leather cleaner, and so that way I don't have to break into that one. But we're just going to put some product on our brush. Now, I'm going to clean the rest of this seat. That way we can get it to match, and then we will go straight into applying the sealant. All right, so moment you've been waiting for, we're going to apply the sealant. Now, we're going to give it a good little shake, get ready for it, and we're going to use our little applicator sponge. Now this product, you literally just apply it. You don't have to buff it off or wipe it off. Literally apply it, make sure there's no high spots, make sure it's nice and even, and then let it sit. Kind of treat it similar to like a coating that you're laying down. Now, once it's sat for a while, you can come back over, buff it off. On your darker colored leathers, you may want to do a couple levels or layers of it, I should say. That way you can try and make sure that it stays even as you're putting it on. A little bit. It is a very watery substance, so that's why the sponge works. And we're literally just going to apply it to the surface. And again, one of the great things you'll notice, there's not a lot of product being applied. So it's not like your leather creams or conditioners or things like that that you're used to, or your old school stuff where there's that worry of getting it in the perforations. Now what I usually like to do is, if I'm doing this on a car, I apply the first coat, work my way around, do all the other seats, and then I come back usually and put a second coat on the driver's seat. And the reason for that is, well, the driver's seat gets the most use, especially when we're applying it to the bolsters and the high traffic areas. This will, like I said last time, it will help allow egress and ingress of the vehicle where you're climbing in and out, and it'll make it so that it'll help protect against that future dye transfer. Unlike a leather coating where it's actually going to seal the pores, this is not going to do that. This is going to keep those pores open, which will allow that leather to still breathe, which is what you want. There you go, that's it. Now I'm gonna finish getting back on this car, and you guys can head back to the studio. All right, well there you have it. That wasn't so hard, now was it? So, in case you guys are wondering, that kit again is the Color Lock Leather and Vinyl Care Kit. You can pick it up right here, and it comes with everything that we used in this video. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.